Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to freeze columns in Smartsheet. All right, it's actually pretty easy. Let's say, for example, you have the priority column in here. Let's say you have checked these rows, okay? Now, when you go ahead and scroll through the sheet, as you can see, sometimes you won't remember which rows are done, okay? Let's say you're checking some data from H, okay? Now, normally, you would go back and check 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, and 5 right here. So to make your life easier, you can freeze the column, okay? You can right click on a specific column and then go ahead and click on freeze. There you go. As you can see here, we have this darker line. I don't know if you can see it, but it is quite visible in my end. And when you hover over it, it will be highlighted as blue, okay? Now, when we go ahead and scroll through, as you can see, it moves when we scroll as well. So it's easier to spot which is which. All right. Now you can go ahead and freeze two columns if you want to. For example, priority and product ID right here. Right click, freeze column, like so. And here we have the line. Move, and there you have it. If you want to unfreeze it, right click and unfreeze. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.